The unit of power is option 1, volt, option 2, ohm, option 3, ampere, option 4, watt. The answer is option 4, watt. 1 watt of power is consumed when option 1, 1 ampere of current flows at a potential difference of 1 volt, option 2, 1 ampere of current flows at a potential difference of 2 volt, option 3, 2 ampere of current flows at a potential difference of 1 volt, option 4, 2 ampere of current flows at a potential difference of 2 volt. The answer is option 1, 1 ampere of current flows at a potential difference of 1 volt. The commercial unit of electrical energy is option 1, joule, option 2, watt-hour, option 3, kilowatt-hour, option 4, ampere-hour. The answer is option 3, kilowatt-hour. 1 kilowatt-hour is equal to option 1, 3600 joule, option 2, 36,000 joule, option 3, 360,000 joule, option 4, 3,600,000 joule. The answer is option 4, 3,600,000 joule. An electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy consumed in 2 hours. Option 1, power, 1100 watts, energy, 2.2 kilowatt-hour, option 2, power, 1200 watts, energy, 2.4 kilowatt-hour, option 3, power, 1300 watts, energy, 2.6 kilowatt-hour, option 4, power, 1400 watts, energy, 2.8 kilowatt-hour. The answer is option 1, power, 1100 watts, energy, 2.2 kilowatt-hour. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R, then the ratio R divided by R is option 1, 1 divided by 25, option 2, 1 divided by 5, option 3, 5, option 4, 25. The answer is option 4, 25. Which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? Option 1, I to the power of 2R, option 2, IR to the power of 2, option 3, volt I, option 4, volt to the power of 2 divided by R. The answer is option 2, IR to the power of 2. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watts. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed will be option 1, 100 watts, option 2, 75 watts, option 3, 50 watts, option 4, 25 watts. The answer is option 4, 25 watts. How is a voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? Option 1, in series with the circuit, option 2, in parallel to the 2 points, option 3, either in series or parallel, option 4, none of the above. The answer is option 2, in parallel to the 2 points. When a 12-volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 mA in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. Option 1, 4,800 ohms, option 2, 4,000 ohms, option 3, 3,600 ohms, option 4, 3,200 ohms. The answer is option 1, 4,800 ohms. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohms, 0.3 ohms, 0.4 ohms, 0.5 ohms, and 12 ohms. How much current would flow through the 12 ohms resistor? Option 1, 0.5 ampere, option 2, 0.4 ampere, option 3, 0.3 ampere, option 4, 0.2 ampere. The answer is, option 1, 0.5 ampere. How many 176 ohms resistors, in parallel, are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt line? Option 1, 8, option 2, 10, option 3, 12, option 4, 14. The answer is, option 1, 8. Show how you would connect 3 resistors, each of resistance 6 ohms, so that the combination has a resistance of: option 1, 9 ohms, 1 in series with 2 in parallel, 4 ohms, 2 in series in parallel with 1, option 2, 9 ohms, 2 in series with 1, 4 ohms, 1 in series in parallel with 2, option 3, 9 ohms, all in series, 4 ohms, all in parallel, option 4, 9 ohms, all in parallel, 4 ohms, all in series. The answer is, option 1, 9 ohms, 1 in series with 2 in parallel, 4 ohms, 2 in series in parallel with 1. How many 10 watts bulbs rated for 220 volt can be connected in parallel on a 220 volt line with a maximum allowable current of 5 ampere? Option 1, 110 lamps, option 2, 100 lamps, option 3, 90 lamps, option 4, 80 lamps. The answer is, option 1, 110 lamps. Compare the power used in the 2 ohms resistor in each of the following circuits: I, a 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohms and 2 ohms resistors, and 2, a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohms and 2 ohms resistors. Option 1, series, 2 watts, parallel, 8 watts, option 2, series, 1 watts, parallel, 4 watts, option 3, series, 3 watts, parallel, 12 watts, option 4, series, 4 watts, parallel, 16 watts. The answer is, option 1, series, 2 watts, parallel, 8 watts. If the resistance of a wire is R ohms, what will be the resistance of another wire of the same material and length but half the diameter? Option 1, R divided by 4, option 2, R divided by 2, option 3, 2R, option 4, 4R. The answer is, option 4, 4R. What is the unit of electric potential? Option 1, volt, option 2, ampere, option 3, ohm, option 4, watt. The answer is, option 1, volt. Which instrument measures electric potential difference? Option 1, voltmeter, option 2, ammeter, option 3, ohmmeter, option 4, galvanometer. The answer is, option 1, voltmeter. Which 3 quantities are related by Ohm's law? Option 1, voltage, current, resistance, option 2, voltage, power, resistance, option 3, current, power, resistance, option 4, voltage, power, current. The answer is, option 1, voltage, current, resistance. What happens to the current if the resistance of a conductor is doubled for a given potential difference? Option 1, it is halved, option 2, it is doubled, option 3, it remains the same, option 4, it becomes 0. The answer is, option 1, it is halved. Which of the following does not affect the resistance of a conductor? Option 1, length, option 2, temperature, option 3, material, option 4, color. The answer is, option 4, color. Which factor increases the resistance of a conductor? Option 1, increase in length, option 2, decrease in length, option 3, decrease in temperature, option 4, none of the above. The answer is, option 1, increase in length. When resistors are connected in series, the total resistance is Option 1, sum of individual resistances, Option 2, product of individual resistances, Option 3, average of individual resistances, Option 4, difference of individual resistances. The answer is Option 1, sum of individual resistances. When resistors are connected in parallel, the total resistance is Option 1, less than the smallest resistance, Option 2, sum of individual resistances, Option 3, equal to the largest resistance, Option 4, equal to the smallest resistance. The answer is Option 1, less than the smallest resistance. What is the total resistance if two 4 ohms resistors are connected in parallel? Option 1, 2 ohms, Option 2, 4 ohms, Option 3, 8 ohms, Option 4, 1 ohms. The answer is Option 1, 2 ohms. What is the formula for the heat produced by an electric current? Option 1, H equals I to the power of 2 RT, Option 2, H equals VIT, Option 3, H equals volt to the power of 2 tons, Option 4, H equals I to the power of 2 tons. The answer is Option 1, H equals I to the power of 2 RT. Which of the following is a practical application of the heating effect of electric current? Option 1, electric bulb, Option 2, electric motor, Option 3, transformer, Option 4, capacitor. The answer is Option 1, electric bulb. Which effect of electric current do electric irons use? Option 1, heating effect, Option 2, magnetic effect, Option 3, chemical effect, Option 4, electrostatic effect. The answer is Option 1, heating effect. What is one disadvantage of the heating effect of electric current? Option 1, energy loss, Option 2, increased efficiency, Option 3, improved conductivity, Option 4, lower resistance. The answer is Option 1, energy loss. What is the unit of electric power? Option 1, watt, Option 2, joule, Option 3, volt, Option 4, ampere. The answer is Option 1, watt. Which two quantities product gives electric power? Option 1, voltage and current, Option 2, voltage and resistance, Option 3, current and resistance, Option 4, current and capacitance. The answer is Option 1, voltage and current. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications about future videos.